Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can find the messages from your contact list on your DMs on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Tap on your profile icon. Then, select three dots icon. Next, tap on settings. Open social permissions and activity. And then select messages settings. From here, tap on the contacts option. And then select the button beside direct messages. And that's it. All the messages from your contact list will be on your DMs now.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.